Hi children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all fine children. Okay. So our first unit completed including textual exercise also. Okay. And now we go to the next unit, the first lesson. Indian scientists have played a stellar role in the development of India in the short span of its post-independence history. India has achieved several great scientific achievements. Indian scientists have proved their mettle in the face of international sanctions and have made India one of the scientific powerhouses of the world. Right? Today we are going to see C.V. Raman, about C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman is one of the most renowned scientists produced by India. His full name was Chandrasekhar Venkatraman. For his pioneering work on scattering of light, C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize for his physics in 1930. Okay, children, you see here, I'm showing some pictures. Look at the pictures and answer for them. Can you name them? Can you name these scientists? Are scientists special people? How? Do you want to be a scientist? Why? How many of them received the Nobel Prize? How many of them received the Nobel Prize? Who was the first Indian scientist that received the Nobel Prize? Who was the first Indian scientist that received Nobel Prize? Children, answer these questions in your HW, children. Okay, don't write them in your CW. Okay, right. And next, we go to the first paragraph of the lesson. See there. On the busy Beau Bazaar street in Calcutta, there was an old building. It was the headquarters of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. In December, on a fine evening in 1927, there was much excitement in one of its laboratories. Chandrasekhar Venkatraman was showing a visitor some of his instruments when a young man, K.S. Krishnan, rushed in and announced, Professor Campton has won the Nobel Prize. Okay, see here children. So which is a bazaar street in Calcutta? One of the busy streets. Right, Beau Bazaar is one of the busiest street in Calcutta. Okay, and so which headquarter is there children? The Indian Association for Cultivation of the Science. Right, the headquarters of Indian Association for Cultivation of Science is there in headquarters is there in Calcutta children. Okay, so and then so one young man K.S. Krishnan rushed in and he announced that Professor Campton has won the Nobel Prize. Who won the Nobel Prize children? Professor Campton. Right. So who was here? Campton. Campton was an American physicist. He won the Nobel Prize for his discovery of Campton effect, which demonstrated the particle nature of electromagnetic radiation. Okay, so this is the discovery of Campton. So that it was a Campton effect. For his discovery, he won the Nobel Prize in 1927. Okay, so it was a sensational discovery at that time. And we come to the next one here. Raman was equally delighted. Excellent news, he said, smiling at the visitor and then he was lost in thought. But look here, Krishnan, he said, turning to the young man, if this Campton effect is true of X-rays, it must be true of light too. So when he heard the news of the Campton effect, which won the Nobel Prize, he was very much happy because of even he Raman also trying to show that his experiment was true about the light, right? So that his already Compton effect proved and it won. So it gives such a strength to him so that he had great trust, a will to prove about light effect also. Okay, children, and I'm also sharing that Campton X-rays. How does the X-rays work? You just watch the video also, children. Okay, and which are the questions I'm giving you? You just answer them. In the next class, we go to the next part of the lesson. Okay, children, answer the questions in your HW. And I already shared the PDF form of all the lessons. Just go through the lesson. Children, read the lesson.